Hello, and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to call a business from Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, and after that, choose any business that you want to call from Google Maps. And after that, go and click on the name of that business. And after that, swipe up and scroll down a little bit until you will find, as you can see here, like the number of that restaurant. For example, I have just to click on it, and as you can see, it will give me the options to call. But you must know something, that you will find only the number of that business or of any business only if that business put it like their number on Google Maps, or if there is someone who put it their number there also, so for people like can call them and like for people to know their number. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.